How do warriors create wealth? Alright, we are going to talk about crypto wallets. But don't worry, this isn't like your grandpa's wallet that's stuffed full of old receipts and lint. This is a whole new ball game. So, what is a crypto wallet? Well, it's like your digital piggy bank that holds all your precious cryptocurrencies. You know, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. You can't touch them, but they're worth a whole lot more than any piggy bank you had as a kid. It's like having a secret hideout where you stash all your treasure, except it's digital and you don't have to worry about any pesky pirates stealing it. Unless, of course, they hack into your wallet, but let's not worry about that right now. A crypto wallet is like a digital keychain that holds all your keys to your different cryptocurrencies. And just like a real keychain, you don't want to lose it. Because if you do, you're basically locked out of your digital treasure trove forever. Now, there are different types of crypto wallets, like hardware wallets, software wallets, and even paper wallets. Yes, you heard that right, paper wallets. It's like the old school version of a digital wallet, except it's literally a piece of paper with your private keys on it. Just don't lose it or accidentally throw it in the trash. The best part about a crypto wallet is that you can use it to buy things, just like a regular wallet. Except instead of pulling out cash or a credit card, you're using your digital treasure to buy things like a cool new laptop or a pizza. Yes, you can even buy pizza with Bitcoin. Who knew? So, there you have it. A crypto wallet is like your digital piggy bank that holds all your precious cryptocurrencies. Just make sure you don't lose your keys, or your treasure will be lost forever. And remember, you can buy pizza with Bitcoin, so go ahead and treat yourself to a slice.